I start with my glass of water. I drink my coffee. I throw in my D drops and go to work.
Wait.
Sorry. What?
Where's the apple?
I'm not eating the apple.
You're grabbing an apple.
I'm not grabbing an apple. It's not happening. Nancy, welcome back.
Thank you.
Yeah, but I got a lot of X's in the last video that
I know.
I hear I'm not living my life accordingly.
And have you changed?
It is June. Kids are going into the summer mode and they'll have action-packed days.
Yeah.
Kids will go into camp mode and they'll be at camp from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. And I guess what we wanted to capture today was how to keep kids, how to balance snacking and meals
Yes.
for when you are burning a ton of energy in a day successfully.
So I would suggest either morning or night, our little mag pop, the magnesium. So magnesium hydrates, so they can have it before they take off in the morning or at night when they come back, because it also soothes your muscles, it relaxes you. It's got your vitamin C in there, good for your bone building, muscle function, tissue formation, everything that children need. This particular one has electrolytes in it. So it's like when you buy those powders that have electrolytes.
Yes.
But this also gives you the magnesium and this is in a natural form. And you smell the beautiful tangerine. Oh, look at that. That you can even see the orange, like little specks in there.
So you mean it's real is what you're trying to say?
It's real. There's no artificial, no synthetic. And if they don't like the effervescence tasting, then the chewable. Another chewable that's really good during the day is the zinc and vitamin C. It gives them more energy. It, again, bone health, their ligaments, the joints.
So let's talk about like planning our kids' snacks and lunches when they are away from the home. What's a good balanced approach to snacks and foods for kids to maintain their energy and hydration through the day?
Okay, so you want to have a protein-packed breakfast and lunch because that'll give them the energy.
So not carbohydrates in the morning.
You can have a little,
Yeah.
but I'd say 80% has got to be protein. Eggs,
Okay,
there's
ham.
yogurt, and they don't have to have a ton of it. You know, a couple of tablespoons, throw in some of those lovely berries,
Yep.
right, for antioxidants. Then you can get nutless clusters, which are certified nut-free, gluten-free. Protein, so you would do a sandwich, a nice sandwich that's easy, or a wrap, right?
Yeah.
Some lettuce or arugula. I would slice in some cucumbers, salami, or cook ham or things. Some cheese, not a lot, because cheese does slow you down. It's a good protein, but it slows you down, so you gotta be careful. Make sure they're drinking good water, no pop, because pop has too much acidity. The afternoon snack, which is my favorite, really good square of dark chocolate. And if you get the kids to start eating dark chocolate when they're young, they don't know what the sweet stuff tastes like. And another fruit, a mandarin, because orange and chocolate go really good together. Cherries, like that's another good with chocolate. So you're boosting the antioxidant properties in the chocolate and the fruit when you eat it together.
You make it sound so easy to understand.
So easy.
Yeah.
Thank you, Nancy.
Thank you. Take care.
Team. Good job.
Bye.